about volume, since we don't have it. Volume. Oh, not volume. Surface of a rectangular. Surface area. Surface area of a rectangular. Thank you. And a long word, prism. Okay, so we're going to be working with surface area of a rectangular prism. So go ahead and look at your formula chart. Look at the formula. What do you notice about how many formulas do you see? Two. Okay, so you have a prism, rectangular prism. You have two. You have what's called lateral, and then you have total. Anytime a question asks what is the surface area, it's talking about the total. If it says what's the lateral surface area, then you use the lateral. So looking at the total surface area, it says surface area equals, it looks like it's the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So this P stands for perimeter of the base. Again, the height is the height of the whole figure. And then B, again, is area of the base. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw a rectangular prism as our first example. So here's my rectangular prism. Okay, it's a rectangle, and then I'm going to draw the other one on the side of it that kind of overlaps. That's how you create a rectangular prism. Oh, my bad, I already messed it up. So if you know how to draw a rectangular prism, just draw your rectangular prism. Right? Okay. So if you notice, go ahead and color the bottom of your rectangular prism so that you know we're talking that that's going to be our base. The bottom is our base. Oh my gosh. And let's say this rectangular prism is, let's say 2 or 8 by 2, and then this is 4 by 4. Okay. So again, I'm going to write the formula again because it's on here. It's surface area equals the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So just like how we did volume, you're going to draw the shape of the base. So I colored in my base. So what shape is that? A rectangle. So go ahead and draw your rectangle. And this side of the rectangle, what's the measure? 2. And this side is 8. So if this side's 2, what is this side? 4. The rectangle. 2. If this side is 8, what is this side? 8. I'm only writing the dimensions of the bottom rectangle, that bottom base. So my first step is that we're going to find the perimeter of the base shape. My base shape is a rectangle, and that means I'm going to find the perimeter. So when I add my perimeter, you're just adding all your sides. So that's 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 equals 20 plus 20. Okay, you're adding all your sides. That's perimeter. And then the next step I need to find is this area of the base. Well, this is my shape of my base. So I need to find the area. How do you find the area of a rectangle?
Area. It is.
What is the standard formula chart?
It says A equals B.
Is base times height?
Base times height. Now I'm still only talking about my base. Okay, the shape of my base, that rectangle. I'm only talking about the rectangle. So the base of this rectangle is what? What's the base of this rectangle? 2 times the height of this rectangle? 8. 2 times 8 is? 16. So that means the area of the base is 16. Now we're going to go back and we're going to plug everything that we do know. We know that surface area equals, what did we get for the perimeter of the base? 20. Now we're going to multiply by the height of the figure. So you're going to go back to your figure. What's the height? 4. Plus 2 times the area of the base is 16. So go ahead and calculate your surface area. What do we get? 112. So your surface area is 112 units to what power? There it is for volume, but this is surface area, so it's square. So be careful. Okay, let's do another one. Draw another rectangular prism. Okay, then color in your bottom. And let's say this is, let's say it's 10 by 9 by 2. So the first step you have to draw what?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So we're going to draw that rectangle, our bottom. So the dimensions of the bottom is what?
10.
10 by 9. So if this side's 10, then that means this side is 10 and this side is 9. And my first step is to find the what? Perimeter. So that's 10 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9 equals 38. My next step is to find the what? The area. Area of the rectangle is base times height. So the base is 10 times 9 equals 90. So the area of the base is 90, right?
Oh, that's
Okay, now we're just going to go and put in our formula. The formula said surface area equals, what's the perimeter of the base? 38 times the height of the figure. What's the height of the figure? 2 plus 2 times, what's the area of the base? 90. And your surface area is 256. So you get what? 256 units to the second power. Okay, so let's do the last one. The last one, we're actually going to find the lateral surface area. And what's the formula for lateral surface area say? S equals perimeter of the base times the height of the figure. So this time we have another rectangular prism. Okay. Looking at this, this is my bottom. Let's say this is 2 by 4 by 3. So then we're going to do the same steps. We're going to draw out the shape. The shape is a rectangle. This dimension is 2 by
3.
Think about it. Look at it.
4.
By 4. I mean, this is 2. This is 4. So the first step, we have to find the what? Perimeter. Because it's only showing we want perimeter. So that's 2 plus 4 equals 12. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 12. Okay, we're done. We found that. Now let's just plug it in. says surface area equals what's the perimeter of the base? 12. What's the height of the entire figure? 3. So 12 times 3 is? 36. So it's 36 units squared.
Oh, this is
Okay? This is just lateral. Okay? So if we look at it, surface area equals perimeter times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. If I cover up plus 2 times the area of the base, what do you have? Lateral. If I bring everything back, what do you have? Surface area. Take 2 plus 2b, that's lateral, right? So it's pretty much part of the same equation. Lateral is just the perimeter times the height, and the surface area is the perimeter times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. Okay, so we're going to pass out your worksheet. We're going to do one together, and then you're going to do off on your own.